So the next sum goes like, a boat covers 26 kilometers upstream and 36 kilometers downstream in 6 hours, while it covers 36 kilometers upstream and 24 kilometers downstream in 6.5 hours. The speed of the current is. तो एक सिनेरियो में अपने को ऐसा दिया हुआ है. So let us it covers 24 kilometers upstream and 36 kilometers downstream. So I'm assuming the speed of the boat is x and speed of current sy, and in 6 hours. The total time taken is 6 hours both upstream and downstream. So in this scenario, my first equation will become, when it is going upstream, the speed is going to be x minus y. And what is time? The time is distance upon speed. So ऊपर 24 kilometers मतलब 24x upon y, x minus y, plus 36. When it is going down, its speed is going to be x plus y, and it is taking total 6 hours. In second scenario, the same thing it is doing in, it is going 36 upstream, it is coming 24 kilometers downstream, and here it is taking 13 by 2 hours. So in second scenario, it is going to be 36 upon x minus y plus 24 upon x plus y. Total time is 13 by 2. So now simply we have to solve it simultaneously. So 36 and 24 इसका जो common fact LCM जो है, LCM जो है, LCD is 72. So I will multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 2. So what will happen? 72 upon x minus y, the first equation, plus 108 upon x plus y will become 18, and this will become 72 upon x minus y plus 48 upon x plus y will become 13. Now I'll simply eliminate this part. So I will subtract this. I'll subtract this from this. तो ये निकल जाएगा और ये बचेगा 50 upon x plus y. Will be 18 minus 13 5. So x plus y की जो वैल्यू है वो 10 आ गई. Correct? Sorry, this is 60. So x plus y की वैल्यू 12 आ गई. Now I'll replace x plus y का 12 on this first equation in this equation. So it will become 24 upon x minus y plus 36 upon 12 is 6. So 24 upon x minus y will become 6 minus 3, 3. So x minus y will become 8. So x minus y is 8. So यहाँ से मेरे को x की वैल्यू 10 आ जाएगी और y की वैल्यू 2 आ जाएगी. If I solve this simultaneously, 2x is 20, x is 10, if x is 10, y is 12. So जो करंट का स्पीड था वो 2 kilometers per hour. So it's basically, this is testing your knowledge on solving the simultaneous equations. Length of the river is 40 kilometers. Speed of stream is 3 kilometers per hour. Boat takes 6 hours more to return than to go into the river. Find the speed of boat in still water. Length कितना है? The distance is same here, 40 kilometers. Let the speed of the boat be x. And speed of stream is 3 kilometers per hour. This also is kilometers per hour. Let the stream be flowing in this direction. We can assume any direction. So it takes 6 hours more to return than to go to the river. So for example, what is the time taken to go from here to here? So when it is going, the boat का speed x है, stream का 3 है. So when it is going in the direction of stream, x plus 3. is the speed, और distance कितना cover करेंगे 40, तो 40 upon x plus 3 is the time taken to go from here to here. And what is the time taken to come back, which is t2? It is going to be, again it is going to travel 40, but this time it is going to take a speed of x minus 3 because it is going to go against the stream when it is coming back. Now t1 और t2 के बीच में क्या रिलेशन दिया है अपने को? t1 और t2 के बीच में रिलेशन दिया है कि this time is 6 hours more than this time. So to make them equal, I will add 6 to this, then it will become equal to this time. Yes or no? So 6 will become, if I take it on that side and if I take this common, it will become something like this. So x plus 3 minus x plus 3. So 6 will become 40. X plus 3, x minus 3, 6 upon x square minus 9. 6 और 6 कट जाएगा. So x square minus 9 will become 40. So x will become 49. X square will become 49. So x will become 7 kilometers per hour. So the speed of the boat was 7 kilometers per hour. This is going to be the answer. Okay. So normally people would say there is a direct formula by which you can calculate this, but I'm not recommending to have the direct formula remembered because sometimes people forget that formula. So just go by the simple logic, and if your calculation is fast, if you're practiced enough how to calculate fast, you will be able to do this sum without remembering the formula also in 30, 35, 40 seconds, you know. So nothing to worry. I hope you enjoyed my time, distance and speed videos and lectures. If you have any queries, please contact me on my WhatsApp number. I'll be available there 24/7, and please do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.